So what are the Makharij? Or the Makhraj is the tip of the tongue from the top side of the tip and the bottom edges of the two top incisors. So let me explain that to you. Okay. The tip of the tongue from the top side. So that's the tip of the tongue, as we explained in the previous. That's the tip of the tongue, but we take the top side of the tip of the tongue, and it says the bottom edges of the two top incisors. So we have two incisors here, and they are going to be connected, touching the top tip, the tip of the tongue from the top side. Okay, so they will be connecting like this. Okay. So you can see here, so that's the tip of the tongue from the top side, and this is the connecting point of the top two incisors. Okay, so I will explain that in next slide with the 3D model, so that will make it easy for you. Okay, so if we see here, okay, that's our tongue, and let me make this as well. So this is our mouth, and see, this is, okay, these are the top two incisors. Okay, so if you see here, this is the tip of the tongue, and we're going to using the top side of the tip of the tongue, and that is going to be connecting, touching these two, the two incisors, the tip of the two incisors. So that's the, that's what makes the sound the. Okay, I hope this will make it easy for you. Okay, let's see. Again, let's see from the different angle, and this a different angle as well. Okay, so that's the tip of the tongue, and we're going to be using the top part, this bit, top part of the tip of the tongue, and we're going to be the tongue is going to be touching the top side of the top two incisors. Okay.